Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX. Welcome back. I'm going to take you through or a walkthrough of the crude oil chart over the last couple of days, and we're looking at a campaign that we've undertaken. So a campaign is basically applying a multi-system strategy, and we're looking at the GMT V2 Renko, and we're going to have a look at the breakout strategy, the continuation 200, a continuation 50 trade, and a trend trade as well. So we'll have a look at a couple of those, and we've got a reversal that sets up here too. So there's a bit of a mix in this these two sessions. So let's start from obviously our first day that we're looking at, and we had a nice sell off our continuation 200. There it is, there sets up, that goes down nicely for a profit of 860. We do get a continuation trade set up just here off that 50 period moving average. That's a loser at 100. So we do well on one trade, we don't do that well on that second trade because we're pyramiding in, we get taken out. Small loss, but that's okay. Then we get a nice breakout setup. Now a breakout zone is where we have either 3 or 4 of these support resistance lines set up within a range. So here we've got a range of 50 points and we've got the range set up. We've got 3 resistance bars setting up and we're looking for the breakout. Now the breakout has to come from a break of either the most recent swing high low or the highest and lowest swing high-low in that range. So it's up to the trader to select which option they're going to take as far as their breakout, but in this example I've shown it from the highest and lowest breakout. So we get plus 21 on that breakout move, so that's not too bad, so $210. Then what happens nicely is we push back up. The trend changes because it goes from short to crossing above our 200 period to a long, and then we get a pullback and then a cross back up. So we're basically in a long, we're looking for a long setup here if it occurs, but it actually it does, because we get a continuation trader. We've got a minimum move here of 40 points, we get a pullback and then we get a run up. Now what can happen here with these trades is that once they retest that support at the 200, they take off. This one unfortunately doesn't. It gets stopped out for a loss of $50. But what it does is it allows us to take our reversal trade. Now, our reversal trade has to have a double top, and you can see there, and we have to have that resistance band set up as well, which we've got. And what we also have is we also have reversal with RSI and MACD divergence. So that's a perfect little setup there. You can see the MACD divergence and the RSI divergence. So there's our short entry there. Now what's happened is we're long here on the continuation 200 and we're short on the reversal. So we've actually got a trade that we've got 2 orders in the market. Obviously we need a sub account, or if you're doing that, you need to have a master and 2 sub accounts to be able to trade with 2 positions. Now one long, one short. So that goes down here and gets taken out, just breaking above that, above the, just there, breaks above the price channel, which is our trailing stop. It gets taken out. There's a profit there of $1,000. We get a second re-entry, which is our pyramid second lot off our 50 period moving average right there. That brings it in around about $600. And then now we've got an open continuation 200 trade. You can see it there. That's our open trade there. So I'm not sure how that's going to play out, but hopefully it does fairly well. But overall, those 7 trade campaign, we ended up with a profit of $25.20. And that's basically just trading a campaign where we're looking at trading both longs and shorts. We're looking at a breakout, continuation, a reversal, and we also have a continuation 250 trade. So there's plenty of opportunity there in the crude market. There was a good trading day. They're not always going to be that great, but I'll be showing obviously several days where we run campaigns, and you'll be able to see exactly how they play out. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.